Have you been looking for some budget-friendly adventures with versatility to do just about anything? I got you covered. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the Forest River Nightfall 25N, a budget-friendly, adventure-filled toy hauler that's just waiting for you to come snag it. And this thing is highlighted by a 14-foot garage. You got a separation of space with your bathroom and your primary bedroom, but the versatility in this thing, I think, is going to be something you are absolutely going to love. I'm going to start right back here on the back patio. Now, the great thing about toy haulers, the load deck, which as you can see has the kind of asphalt covering on it for grip, has a 1,500-pound party deck capacity and a 3,500-pound load capacity. What I love about these, if you're tailgating, if you're going on those travel ball trips, or if you're just going to the beach and you want a whole court, you love to fish off the back of your porch, that's technically what a toy hauler gives you, is a back porch. You do have the solid surround right here with the netting, trying to give you a little bit additional security when you're out here, but more importantly, it also looks good. I even have these cables holding everything up. I got floodlights, and I'm pre-wired for backup camera back here as well. Now, my dovetail leads me right into my 14-foot, 6-inch garage. What I love about toy haulers, space and versatility. Yes, if you're going to bring toys with you, kayaks, side-by-sides, bikes, whatever it may be, toy haulers is pretty much your only option. But if you're a traveling adventurous couple and you know you might need some additional sleeping space, toy haulers offer you that versatility. And the Nightfall line falls right into that budget-conscious buyer that's going to help break that barrier of entry for you if you've been wondering, how am I going to get into RVing? Now, you'll notice that right here, I got the dovetail with the rubberized grip, leading right into my upgraded linoleum flooring in the rest of the coach. What's nice about this is it makes it easier for load. Plus, you get grip, so you're not going to be slipping while coming up. The opposing gaucho beds that I have on both sides here give me some versatility for sitting down, entertaining. This is also my dining area. We just took the table out because we wanted to show you the space. These can be a twin bed. Just take the cushions off, and then you got double twin beds, or use the table as support in the middle. Then you have a huge bed that can easily accommodate 2 adults. You need more space? Check this out. How about a gas strut-supported bed on its own lift? To get it up and down, it's as easy as just pushing and pulling, but gives you the versatility with that Foley bed system to not only have some head clearance coming through, but to have you some additional sleeping space as well, which is why I love to call toy haulers the most versatile things on the planet. And when it comes to form and function, sure, I got windows. I'm going to show you those here in a second. I got 5,000-pound frame welded tie downs. That's pretty awesome. But what about the rest of the coach? Well, let me show you. Now, the living area of the 25N Nightfall is highlighted by the continuation of your garage, open space, and a kitchen that I think you're going to be like, at this price point? Yes, absolutely. What am I talking about? Well, over here on the off-camp side is where you're going to see the pressed surface countertops for your kitchen. You also have this giant sink with a drying rack cover. It's undermounted with the high-rise faucet. And what I did that they liked here was the oversized sink is so big that they actually put the faucet on the corner, giving you more space. Now, right beside that is going to be my 3-burner cooktop with the grill-style grates. All of your drawers, solid wood construction, full extension thanks to the drawer guides, and a nice little feature you're going to have inside your Nightfall, a water filtration system. This is located in the storage outside, got the little control for the housing. Great option because you never know what type of water you're going to have at the campsite. You'll also see solid wood shaker-style cabinets on your doors. I got drawers underneath my sink with an additional rack for my sink, LED underlight, plus I got the convection microwave up top, frosted glass inlay in my storage doors. And the thing that I like about toy haulers is also the headspace. You're technically a full profile travel trailer. So sure, you're going to have some additional clearance to worry about while driving outside, but thanks to these extra high ceilings, airflow with your 15K BTU ducted AC is going to be nice. Heat is also going to be nice, especially with people on that top bunk. Now, your fridge freezer combo is 12 volt French doored style, but I want you to check this out. You see how it's off right now? You actually have a special switch that can cut your reefer off and on. When is that going to come into play? Well, storage. If you're traveling down the road, don't want to drain the batteries, or you're heading out because you're boondocking. Because with toy haulers, you do have a lot of options for additional power, including a solar panel, which is located on top, and my 30 amp controller, which is located right here above my command panel. Now the command panel is where you're going to come run out your awning, as well as cut on my water, cut on the reefer if I want to, as well as my lights, and check my tanks. Now with the Nightfall line, get this, 102 gallon fresh tank, 64 gallon gray tank, and 32 gallon black tank. That's pretty freaking awesome. Also got my entry point component shelf right here for my TV backer and my JBL block system. This also has a subwoofer, so this thing will thump both inside and outside. Plus it got me some additional storage and all the space that I need to do my conga line dancing or some break dancing, because it is upgraded slip resistant linoleum. And right here is my table that I'd mentioned in the first part. What's cool about this is it's movable. Sure, this is your dining table, but you can take it outside, use it as a game table. It's also the backer for your bed located right behind me. Now, let's check out the bathroom and the bedroom. What's behind door number 2, Bob? A pass-through bathroom. And what's behind door number 3? The idiot. Yeah, so the thing I like about the 25N, the front portion of it, the Nightfall, is it's highlighted by a true separation of space thanks to the pass-through bathroom, then a queen-size bed with tons of storage inside your primary bedroom. Now, this to me, especially at this price point, having 2 doors to separate the bathroom and the bedroom, because a lot of times in toy haulers, you're not even going to get that. It's going to be like one open space. This is awesome. Then to throw on top, a porcelain bowl with the foot flush. I got the 30 by 36 shower right here with, see, and I like these type of sliding curtain doors. 2 reasons. Number 1, it gives me more space when I'm walking in. And number 2, it has an antimicrobial coating on it. Now, sure, you still have to wipe it down, but you got less chance of mold and mildew being built up inside your RV. I got the matte black finish on my shower controls, as well as the corner notches right here. And good space. And since we are in a toy hauler, I'm going to have good headroom as well. My vent and fan is located right above the toilet. I got linen storage right here with hideaway hinges, calling card of a manufacturer that's thinking of you. Press surface countertop for my vanity, tankless water heater, and mirrored medicine cabinet, even with a storage lip up top. Don't know what I could put up there, but I'm thinking Girl Scout cookie. Underneath, got more storage and more solid wood drawers. Wow, they really gave me a ton of drawers over here, so I dig it. Pocket door is going to separate the bathroom from the primary suite. What I like about that is, number 1, if you do have people sleeping back there, noise control, but more importantly, you need to get up and use a bathroom. It's not going to disrupt them, and vice versa. Queen size bed, which is 60 by 74. I got the extended nightstand space over there with USB charging, as well as 110, plus soft close drawers on both sides of your bed, plenty of wardrobe space, storage, and strut supported storage doors up top. I even have myself a little closet, pantry, ward. I mean, the shelves make me think pantry, so I'm thinking this is where I'm gonna put the Captain Crunch for when I have my late night snacks. Add that to the fact that I also have the TV backer, as well as boosted signal. If you want to get that service, is pre-wired for the wine guard. Absolutely get it if you're going to go off grid. 110 power. Another spot with a vent and fan, plus my ducted for my 15K BTU AC. And you need more storage space? I got you some underneath. Budget-friendly adventures and versatility. If that's what you've been looking for, I think the 25N checks those boxes. But let me show you what we got outside. Now, the outside of your Forest River Nightfall 25N, highlighted by this awesome party deck, a 102-inch wide body, plus a 15-foot awning, and a couple other little features. Let's start with this beautiful fiberglass exterior that has a special gel coat on it. That is going to help not only keep the graphics from fading, but believe it or not, the gel coat will also help with temperature control on the inside. Now, right up front is where you're going to see some camp conveniences. Like, for example, we got the powered tongue jack right here, the twin 20-pound LP tanks, battery box with spare tire mounted underneath, plus I got my battery disconnect. Now, right here is where you're going to see that oversized single-welded powder-coated frame. What does that mean? Less chance for it to rust and get bad on you, but more importantly, it's a great support for the weight of this coach, because we do have 102 inches wide, and it is extra tall. But you do have this Superflex roof going over the top, so it is TPO, it is walkable. And with that space, not only does that give you more headroom for storage and airflow, just looks nicer, man. So finished off pass-through storage. Right here, you can see your LED light, the continuation of that upgraded linoleum flooring. Plus, I got that solid timber core construction with the oversized studs, magnetic anti-slam luggage doors, and the hinges are covered as well. This to me is a big thing, mainly because with the metal exposed, the elements could make it rust. Then all of a sudden you got rust streaks going down the side of your RV. 15-foot awning, LED light strip, tempered glass door, solid steps with the extra large grab handle. And since we are a toy hauler, why not go ahead and give you the Dexter Easy Lube axles? Got those steel rims with the upgraded wheels. That is also going to give you a little bit better pull while going down the road, mainly because of the berth in between the axles. You won't have that rocking back and forth. It'll be a little bit smoother of a pull. I got external power and entertainment if I need it, manual stab jacks, and of course, my back porch set up with that light. 80% tint on my windows, sealed, safety windows all the way around. And this is your entry-level adventure RV. Toy haulers are great because of the versatility. And if you're going to bring toys, like I said at the beginning, these are pretty much your only option. But historically, you've had to break the bank to get a good one. Now you don't have to. Other side of my pass-through storage here. And of course, the most important part, this is going to be the info panel. So for example, right here, you see the gross vehicle weight rating on this one, 11,370 pounds. But you take that information down to your specialist at Camping World and you say, hey, tell me, what does that mean? Here's what I'm towing with. Here's how many people we're going to go camping. Here's where we plan on going camping. We get that information. We got the RV of your dreams every time, guaranteed. But if you're saying to yourself, Chris, I've been wanting to test the waters with a toy hauler, but I didn't want to break the bank. But I want something good. So you want your cake and you can eat it too. Well, guess what? I got your pineapple upside down right here. Come get a slice at your local Camping World or at rv.campingworld.com. And at only 29 feet long, state park friends, guess what? You're right in that sweet spot. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know, what did you think of the 25N? Where are you going to take it? And more importantly, what'd you like, what'd you not like? Because we love hearing from you. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Nightfall 25N. I'll have a couple more options for you to check out in the links down below, but this one right here, pretty sweet. I'll see you.